Now I am going to show you how to know the history of comments in the comment prompt. I will show you in the two ways how to know the history. Let's start. I will show you the first comment to know the history of comment prompt. That is DOS key /history. It will display all the history of the comments I have entered in the comment prompt today. So these are all the comments I have used from here to here. So now I will show you the second way of knowing the history of the comments. That is nothing but F7. It is like a prompt and it will show the exact number of the comments we have used in comments also. We can go to the particular comment and we can select the comment to re-execute it. Thank you guys.